study about the next part of coal and petroleum. As in the previous lecture we have discussed about coal and petroleum. Today we will be discussing about natural gas. Now what is natural gas? Have you seen natural gas? From where it is obtained? And what is its use? It has been increasingly used nowadays. But actually what it is? It is a mixture of gaseous hydrocarbons. Mixture of gaseous hydrocarbons. As we all know, what are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are nothing but compounds. They are compounds containing hydrogen and carbon. So it is a mixture of gaseous hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons which are in the gaseous state. So they are usually found with petroleum deposits. So natural gas is usually found with petroleum deposits. Means the oil wells are there. Along with them, natural gas is found above the oil wells, above the petroleum deposits. Means it is rarely found separately. So what it is? It is a mixture of methane, ethane, propane, butane. But the main constituent is methane, which constitutes about 85% of natural gas. So the main constituent of natural gas is methane. Sometimes helium is also found in the natural gas. So how it is obtained? It is obtained by digging wells in certain areas. Some wells produce natural gas as well as petroleum. Some wells produce natural gas as well as petroleum. While some wells, as I told you, some wells produce only natural gas. The wells producing only natural gas are less. Some formation. Now we will discuss about the formation of natural gas, how the natural gas was found. Formation. It is formed by the decomposition of organic matter buried under the sea millions of years ago. The process can also be called as anaerobic fermentation. Now what this term has mean? Anaerobic fermentation. This is a fermentation in the absence of air. Aerobic we know is related to oxygen and air. Anaerobic means without oxygen. So the fermentation or decomposition in the absence of air leads to the formation of natural gas. It is formed by decomposition of organic matter buried under the sea millions of years ago. We will discuss about some of the uses of natural gas. First use is, it is used as a fuel. Fuel means on burning, because it on burning it produces a lot of heat. That's why it can be used as a fuel. If it is producing a lot of heat, we can say it is having a high calorific value. The second point is, first point is, we know it is used as a fuel, but the added advantage is it is used as a clean fuel. Now what does this mean? Clean fuel means on burning it does not produce a lot of waste gases or gases which are not used, which are harmful to us, which are harmful to the environment. It is a clean fuel, means it only produces carbon dioxide and no other fuel and no other waste gases on burning. Like other substances are there, like coal on burning produces nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, but it is a clean fuel. It does not produce some other gases like other than carbon dioxide, like NO2, SO2. So it is, we can call it as eco-friendly, as it is a clean fuel. It does not produce other harmful gases. Moreover, it is being increasingly transported very easily nowadays. Like in Vadodara, we have a good transportation system for the natural gas. Like generally, we use natural gas in cylinders, and it is transported. But there, a network of pipeline has been used, which is like gas is pumped and easily supplied to all the houses. So it is only an initial investment cost is there. Afterwards, it's almost very economical and it's almost free. Thus, the cost of transportation, when we are using it as fuel, highly cuts down. We will mention about a network which is present in Vadodara. Network of pipelines in Vadodara. Now, first of all, this was started in Delhi, CNG. Now it has been increasingly used everywhere. This is what is called as compressed natural gas. Natural gas, which we are discussing here, when we will compress it under high pressure, what will gas? It is compressed natural gas. It has been increasingly used as an alternative to petrol and diesel nowadays, as the scientists call it as eco-friendly, as it does not cause so much air pollution as caused by petrol, diesel and all those fuels which are used for automobiles. Alternative to petrol, diesel, etc. Or we can say the fuel for automobiles. Now formation, it is formed by compressing natural gas under high pressure. It is next use is, it is used in the manufacture of hydrogen, which is further used in the synthesis of fertilizers. We will describe how the formation of hydrogen through CNG, through natural gas, and how it leads to the usage in fertilizer industry, manufacture of hydrogen. So how in the first step we will see how hydrogen is synthesized from methane. Nothing, or from natural gas. Methane is, or natural gas is heated with water. You know, methane is the main constituent. With water, it's not just water, it's water about 1100 Kelvin. Means it is in the form of a steam only. When methane is, when steam is reacted with methane, it forms carbon monoxide and hydrogen. So this hydrogen is synthesized here. This we can use for further synthesis of fertilizers. How we can use, we will see in subsequent steps. This hydrogen obtained combines with nitrogen. Obtained combines with nitrogen. We know, we call it as Haber's process. Nitrogen plus 3 hydrogen gives 2 ammonia. And some catalysts are also used in the reaction, which are iron and molybdenum. Catalysts are those substances which increase the rate of reaction. So I told that it is used, this natural gas is used in the manufacture of hydrogen, which subsequently is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. How we will see that, we will decide like this. Natural gas or methane is reacted with steam. It leads to the formation of carbon monoxide, mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. This hydrogen is further reacted with nitrogen to form ammonia, and this ammonia is reacted with H2SO4, giving ammonium sulfate, which is nothing but a fertilizer. Ammonium sulfate. So it is used in the production of fertilizers. Next is that it is used to produce carbon black, which is used as a filler in the manufacture of tires. used in the manufacture of carbon black, which is used as a filler in the manufacture of tires.